Hi guys, and a massive warm welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody is doing good and well. I know we haven't posted for a number of weeks. We've been busy, we've had wax stock and everything else getting goodies for the channel. So we do have some very good content coming up for you guys from the likes of rim mats, Zvizza, garage therapy, detailing bag, and BCP car care. It's all coming up in the next coming weeks, guys. So, guys, as you would have seen by today's thumbnail, it's all about armorall shields ceramic cleaning wipes. Now, these are designed for your car's interior, and I've been testing these out for a number of weeks. I've had them in the back of the car, and I've been refreshing the interior as and when. But I'll let you know my thoughts in this oncoming video. So, guys, I do hope you enjoy, and you're going to see a little bit more of me at the end. So like I said, guys, I have had these for a while. I have chucked them in the back of the car and I've used them when required. And they are very handy. That's the first thing that I like about them. It's just a case of grabbing them, ripping a wipe or two out, and just a quick wipe over and refresh the dashboard. Second thing you notice is the smell. Now the wipe smells very pleasant. And for those of you that are triggered by me washing my steering wheel, don't worry, I did not drive this car. I know some advise not to do the steering wheel because it could cause your steering wheel to be a bit slippy. But this car hadn't been driven for a while. It doesn't really go nowhere. So I done it just for the purpose of this video. So I want you to keep eye on this next clip right here. Can you see the watermarks that's been left? Now, this is by me going over with this wipe and just letting it dry, like the instructions say. Now, it didn't leave a very good finish, so this is why I've gone over and buffed it off with a microfiber towel. And I find if you have like a piano black interior, like I have, then this is the way to go. Don't just wipe it and let it dry because it will leave you with a horrible finish. And I think personally that is the only downside to these wipes. So just a little bit more information about these wipes. There is 24 in the tube, and apparently it uses an advanced cleaning ceramic technology or some sort to repel stains and dirt. And also they do say do not use on glass, text screens or painted surfaces. And guys, they are not for personal cleaning. And also guys, please, if you are going to go and buy these, dispose of them tidy. Please don't flush them down the toilet because it could be harmful to the seas and animals. And it is all about us doing our little bit to save this crazy round thing that we all call home. So what's my overall thoughts? Well, I for one like them. I really think they're handy to have. They're quick, they're easy to use, the smell is very pleasant, and you can't argue with the results that you're seeing on screen. So it's a thumbs up from me. So guys, that was my thoughts on the Armorall Shields ceramic wipes. And if you did like this video, guys, and you have stuck around till the end, I really do appreciate it. But could I ask you to subscribe, like, share the video, and even drop me the odd comment down below, because I love seeing you guys comment. I love interacting with you guys. It is fantastic. But guys, that is it from me. Hope you've enjoyed it, and I will see you on the next one. Take care.